How to log into Coinbase account. So if you want to log into your Coinbase account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and then on the search bar, search for Coinbase. And here on the first search, you will have www.coinbase.com. Click on that. And now to log in, on the upper right corner, you will have a sign in option. Click on that, and then it will take you to the sign in page. Now you have to enter your email address, and after entering your email address, you can click on continue. And you can also sign into a business account by clicking on here. So from here, you can sign into your account management, like your business account. And to do that, you have to enter your email address, and you have to click on continue, and then it will ask you for your password. And if you want to create an account, then you can simply click here and create an account. After entering your email address, you can click on continue, and then it will ask you for your password, and you have to enter your password. And after entering your password, you will be logged into your Coinbase account. So that's it guys, that's how you log into your Coinbase account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.